Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to make like a bird cage type of like candle holder type of thing. So um, right, so I've got one of these, obviously pound from Poundland. It will be facing upside down so I can glue gun it on. But this could be sprayed in silver metallic chrome spray paint, and this is going to be spray painted as well. You can see, look, so then it'll be like that, like a bird cage type of thing, and then gonna have a candle in the inside. I have got one of these candles, which cost me about what, £1 from Home Bargains. So that'll be going inside like this. Like so. So it'll be going like that. Right, so I'm going to start with the spray paint in now, I think. Just take the tag off. I did get it on offer, the bird cage feeder thing. It was it originally was £4, but they did it down to £2. Like they reduced it, so yeah. So I'm gonna get on with this spray painting now. I think I'll spray paint this first. Oh, the chrome spray paint, I got it from Boys, and it was £6.25. Usually these are about £12 somewhere. So in future, if you ever want to get any spray paint, just go to Boys, it's cheap. Not really too fussed about spray painting the top bit because I'm going to be gluing the thingy on anyway, so. Right, so got to let that one dry. Oh, let me just get down here. Right, so let that dry and start with this. Maybe just push that over there. Right, now get the silver spray paint. Right, just gotta wait for that to dry, and then I'm going to take this lid bit off and then do underneath there, and then I'll get gluing it on, and I shall be done. So I'll be back soon. So literally, I just finished spraying off this top bit. I forgot to click the camera on, but yeah. So it's looking fine at the minute. So this bit, I'm going to be leaving this bit. This is the top bit, because that's just going to be like where I'm going to be putting the glue in that, and then I'm going to spray a little bit around the bottom of you know, the bird cage thingamabob, and then leave the middle bit underneath, and then I can glue it on. So it should look fine when it's done. So I'm just going to wait for this to finish off drying, and then I'll start gluing it on. I have put the glue gun on. Just got to wait for that to heat up as well, so I'll be back soon. Right, so turn it this way and give it a quick spray this way. Right, back in a sec. Right, I'm back, so I'm just going to get on with the glue gun now. So I'm just going to put loads of it on the top of here. It's not working out very good right now. Get rid of the glue stick out. Right, just gonna go with it. Just need to get that to dry, and then that'll be good. So, a minute. So, this is what it looks like. So, can either, right, one sec. So you can either have this in here, you know, oh god, get awkward trying to get it in, but one sec. So you can either have it like that, or if you just want to be better than that, just 1 minute. You could just use an LD candle light. Maybe not. But you could get maybe a smaller one, because this one won't fit. But oh, it fits that way, but it don't fit the other way. But yeah, get a small LED candlelight and put it in. But either way, it still looks nice. So if you like what you see, then give me a thumbs up. Turn on notifications, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I shall see you all next time.